Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on December 3rd and 4th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Candle Day. Candle Day is a celebratory observance that focuses on the beauty, significance, and diverse uses of candles. While there isn't a universally recognized date for Candle Day, it's often celebrated by candle enthusiasts, retailers, and manufacturers. The day serves as an opportunity to appreciate the role of candles in various aspects of our lives, from their use in ceremonies and religious rituals to their ability to create ambience and promote relaxation in homes. On Candle Day, people may engage in activities like purchasing new candles, learning about candle making, or participating in workshops about crafting homemade candles. Retailers often hold sales or special events, showcasing a wide range of candle types, fragrances, and designs. The day also emphasizes the evolution of candles from a practical source of light to a decorative and aromatic item used for enhancing home decor, meditative practices, and mood setting. Celebrating Candle Day is not just about the physical candle itself, it's also about acknowledging the warmth, light, and sense of calm that candles bring into our living spaces. It's a day for candle lovers to indulge in their passion and for others to explore the diverse world of candles. International Day of Persons with Disabilities. International Day of Persons with Disabilities is observed annually on December 3rd. This United Nations-sanctioned day aims to promote the rights and well-being of persons with disabilities in all spheres of society and development. It also seeks to increase awareness of the situation of persons with disabilities in every aspect of political, social, economic, and cultural life. The observance of this day involves various activities and initiatives designed to foster understanding of disability issues and mobilize support for the dignity, rights, and well-being of persons with disabilities. Events often include educational programs, workshops, and discussions that focus on inclusivity, accessibility, and the removal of all types of barriers. Governments, organizations, and communities are encouraged to take steps towards creating more inclusive societies that offer equal opportunities to all, regardless of disabilities. International Day of Persons with Disabilities serves as a reminder of the importance of integrating persons with disabilities in every aspect of life, celebrating their achievements, and advocating for their rights and inclusion. First Sunday of Advent. The first Sunday of Advent marks the beginning of the Advent season in the Christian liturgical calendar, leading up to Christmas. This day falls on the fourth Sunday before Christmas Day and is celebrated by many Christian denominations around the world. Advent, derived from the Latin word adventus meaning coming, is a time of preparation for the birth of Jesus Christ. It's a period of reflection, anticipation, and preparation for the celebration of Christmas, the day Christians believe Jesus was born. On the first Sunday of Advent, churches and worshipers begin their preparations for the Christmas season. This often involves lighting the first of 4 candles on the Advent wreath, a circular wreath with 4 candles, traditionally 3 purple and 1 pink, surrounded by evergreen branches. Each candle represents a specific theme related to the Advent season, such as hope, peace, joy, and love. The lighting of the first candle symbolizes hope and the expectation of the coming of Christ. Services and readings on this day focus on the themes of watchfulness and preparedness for the second coming of Jesus Christ. The first Sunday of Advent invites Christians to reflect on the spiritual significance of the Christmas season, moving beyond the commercial aspects to focus on spiritual renewal and preparation. Let's Hug Day. Let's Hug Day is a heartwarming observance dedicated to encouraging people to express affection and support through the simple, yet powerful, act of hugging. While there isn't a universally recognized date for this observance, it's celebrated by individuals who appreciate the emotional and physical benefits of hugs. This day emphasizes the importance of human touch and connection in fostering relationships, offering comfort, and promoting emotional well-being. On Let's Hug Day, people are encouraged to share hugs with friends, family members, and even acquaintances, of course respecting personal boundaries and consent. This observance serves as a reminder of the value of physical contact in human interactions and its role in conveying empathy, love, and support. Studies have shown that hugging can reduce stress, improve mood, and increase feelings of happiness and security. Celebrating Let's Hug Day is about recognizing the simple yet profound impact a hug can have, both emotionally and physically, and promoting a more connected and compassionate world through this universal gesture of affection. National Cookie Day. National Cookie Day is celebrated on December 4th each year. This delightful observance is dedicated to appreciating and enjoying one of the most beloved treats, cookies. Whether they are chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, gingerbread, or sugar cookies, this day is all about celebrating the variety and joy that cookies bring into our lives. On National Cookie Day, people are encouraged to indulge in their favorite cookies, try new recipes, or share cookies with friends, family, and coworkers. Bakeries and cafes often participate by offering special deals or introducing new cookie varieties. It's also a popular day for cookie baking parties or cookie exchange gatherings, where people come together to share their homemade creations. National Cookie Day not only celebrates the sweet treat itself but also the memories and traditions associated with baking and enjoying cookies, especially during the holiday season. It's a day to enjoy a simple pleasure, create new baking masterpieces, or revisit classic recipes that have been cherished for generations. International Cheetah Day. International Cheetah Day is observed annually on December 4th. This day is dedicated to raising awareness about the cheetah, the fastest land animal, and highlighting the challenges it faces, primarily habitat loss, conflict with humans, and illegal wildlife trafficking. The cheetah is listed as a vulnerable species, and its population is rapidly declining, making conservation efforts crucial. On International Cheetah Day, conservation organizations, wildlife enthusiasts, and educational institutions around the world engage in various activities to educate the public about the plight of the cheetah and the importance of its conservation. Activities may include educational workshops, fundraising events, awareness campaigns, and the promotion of cheetah conservation programs. The day is an opportunity to learn about the cheetah's unique biology, its role in the ecosystem, and the efforts being made to ensure its survival. By observing International Cheetah Day, people are encouraged to support conservation efforts, whether through donations, advocacy, or educating others about this remarkable and endangered animal. The goal is to foster a greater understanding and appreciation of cheetahs and to inspire action to protect them and their habitats. World Wildlife Conservation Day. World Wildlife Conservation Day is observed annually on December 4th. This day is dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of protecting the world's wild animals and plants and the habitats in which they live. The observance highlights the urgent need to address the challenges facing wildlife, such as habitat destruction, illegal wildlife trade, and climate change. It's a day to recognize the global efforts required to conserve wildlife and ensure its survival for future generations. Activities on World Wildlife Conservation Day often include educational campaigns, wildlife conservation projects, and public events organized by conservation groups, zoos, and educational institutions. These activities aim to educate the public about the importance of biodiversity and the steps that can be taken to protect endangered species and their habitats. The day also serves as a call to action for governments, organizations, and individuals to contribute to wildlife conservation efforts. This can involve supporting protected areas, engaging in sustainable practices, or participating in conservation programs. By observing World Wildlife Conservation Day, we acknowledge the intrinsic value of wildlife and the critical role it plays in maintaining ecological balance and the health of our planet. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.